Hey everybody, hope you're having a great, fantastic Friday. For this video, I wanted to come on and show you one of our small little details about our service trips. So recently, our fan technicians traveled over 1,000 miles to serve one of our customers, and in this video, you'll see a few of the little details about that.
Once on location, our team inspected all of their fans. This customer had several fans that were above and underground. During one of our scheduled service visits, we typically check any type of vibration issues, any bearing temperature issues. We do a full inspection of the blades, and we also change the grease. Having a 6-month service plan is really beneficial to keeping your employees safe and also reducing any downtime.
Thanks for watching our videos, guys. If you have any questions or you would like to talk with someone about our 6-month service plan, give us a call. Or if you have an emergency and you need some help with that, you can also give us a call. We're 24/7, 365, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks.